Hello, Mike Ullman, Product Specialist here at Shaler Acura. Today I would like to go over one important reason why Acura has such a high safety rating, and it's due to the advanced compatibility engineering body structure, also known as the ACE body structure. The ACE body structure is a network of connected structural elements to distribute crash energy around the cabin. You'll notice each colored structure is connected to one another, each with different levels of rigidity. This is allowing the vehicle to have multiple locations of strength instead of the strongest points being just the front and rear bumpers. Most mass-produced vehicles will have two solid stamped sides from front to back. The ACE body structure is superior over the conventional automotive frame builds. You will notice in the next photo with the ACE body structure that the engine compartment was severely damaged, but the cabin cage was not. Once again, my name is Michael Ullman. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you need anything, look me up or visit us here at 345 Center Street, Manchester, Connecticut.